Hey, welcome to this VHF UHF daily tip. This is tip number 3. We are January the 31st, 2019, and I hope you enjoy these tips for better VHF UHF listening. So a lot of you have portable scanners. Maybe you have a base scanner, but a lot of them, like for example here I've got a Pro 2006 that you don't see very well, but it has a telescopic off of it in the back. So if you don't have any outdoor antennas, if you don't have any other antenna than whatever is in here, one of the things that is the problem in a lot of homes is the construction of your home might contain metal, might contain concrete, might contain all sorts of material that will attenuate signals. And the higher in frequency you get in the VHF UHF range, the more the signals get easily blocked by the surroundings, by the walls, by the way that your home is built, by all the material used. So maybe you're thinking, well, I don't hear much. I'm scanning off of, I don't know, my living room or something. Well, you know what? Get yourself a little chair and go next to a window. If you want to hear more, you'll notice that an antenna or a scanner, sometimes what I'll do, I'll just take the scanner and I'll let it scan, but instead of leaving it here inside, I'll put it right next to the window and let it scan from there. And you'll be surprised that next to a window you get more signals, and often much more signals, than when you're inside, far from the windows. So that's the tip for today. You know what? Get yourself close to a window if you want to hear a little more. Of course, if it's beautiful outside, why not go outside on maybe your balcony or in the backyard? And of course, outside you'll hear even more signals than you do inside. So that's today's tip. It's often a good idea to get closer to windows when you're listening to the VHF range. And like I said, the higher the frequency you're going to listen to, the more the materials that your house is built from will impact the signals you're listening to. So by getting close to a window, you will, of course, help out in having more signals come through, rather than it being blocked by concrete or bricks or wood or any metal frame that could be inside your home. So hope you get a little more signals thanks to this little tip. Hope you enjoy our daily tips. And this was this tip number 3 for January 31st, 2019. Get close to a window, you'll get more signals. If you enjoy my tips, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.